remember, I'll show you some footage of when I planted these potatoes. I put 2 little potatoes in each bucket. And I'm going to dig up today. It's August 12th, I think. And we're going to find out how many potatoes those 2 little potatoes that I put in this bucket gave us. 1, 2. I'm going to put 2 in each bucket. 3, 4, 5, 6. On my glove. Small little potatoes. And some small ones here. Now we're going to dig. Got the main plants out. I guess I should have another little bucket. Oh, that's getting good sized potato. I guess the ones that I planted were about this size. There was 2 in each bucket I put. I'm going to need another bucket to put the earth in. Field potatoes. There's another one. There's another one, another one. I'll let these go a little bit dry so it'll be easier to dig up. Okay. Another one there. Another one there. Small ones are up at the top. There's some big ones. And a small one there. Another one there. Oh yeah. Whoa! Why did I throw that one there? That one goes in my bucket here. Oh, there's a bigger one. That's a weird one. So 2 little potatoes gave me this. About, I'd say that's about 3 pounds out of 2 little potatoes. This is the biggest one, I think. That's my haul. And some good ones here. Feel them. That's a nice one. That's another nice one. So out of 4 potatoes, I'd say that is about 6-7 pounds potatoes out of 4 little potatoes. That's 2 buckets worth. These are pink tomatoes. They're not red, they're pink, so I think they're time to bring them in. I didn't put too much this year because we have some in the freezer from last year. These are leeks and onions down there. So this is my grocery store. Picking beans. Basket of beans there, another basket here. So today is the 30th of August and I'm in my greenhouse and I have 2 more buckets of potatoes to dig up, and we're going to see if leaving them a little longer, if they grew a little bigger. Oh, here's some nice ones. Oh, there's a nice big one. Look at that. Little one. Trying to get this one. Oh, I feel another big one here. Wow. I haven't watered them for about 3-4 days just to make it easier to dig. Some small ones. There. I feel them. Seems to be enough here. A big one here. Another one here. There's a funny one. Oh, there's one there. Sorry for making all the dust. It's dry. Oh, finding some. That's a good sign. One here. Yeah, and I feel some. Well, I think we got them all in this basket. I don't see any more. So, 4 potatoes gave me this production. I'd say that is about 5-6 pounds, at least. That's heavy. So I wrapped all my tomatoes in paper a couple of weeks ago. Now we're going to open them up and see if they're turning red. Nice and red. That was a pure green when I wrapped it up. Wow, they're really nice. So I guess I'm going to have tomatoes to process. So I went through all my 2 baskets and I unwrapped them all. Just these are smaller and they're still yellowish to green. So I'm going to leave them for another week. And this is all my ripe tomatoes I got. So if you want to know how to make green tomatoes ripen, you wrap them in newspaper, keep them in a cold place, and check them every week. I found 3 or 4 rotten, starting to rot, so that's why you have to check them every week. So I'll come back in a week and I'll check these again and see if they've turned red. But so far, I like the tomatoes that I got. So it's the end of the garden season, and I just wanted to show you this squash here that grew. This is a strange looking squash. Last year I had a round squash with the same coloring that I kept the seeds, and I planted the seeds, and this is what came of that original round squash. I think it's crossed with a zucchini. Originally I thought it was a pepper squash crossed with something, and this year it looks like it's crossed with a zucchini. I got 2 of them. So this is a smaller version of that same coloring. So the carrots, I'm just picking what I need for a meal. Keep some in the fridge. And I'll try to leave my carrots as long as possible. The wild turkeys have been coming here and stamping them down, but I don't think it'll harm the root. So today is the 1st of October, and This is the last of the little beets that were left from the first picking. They're small, but they're worth picking up. So today's the 13th of October, and we're going to dig up my sweet potatoes here to see what we got. So let's get to it. An awful lot of vines. They did flower. I don't know if it's be better just to dump the whole thing upside down and go through it like that. I dump it all upside down. What do you think? Should I do it? Wow, even the roots came in from the bottom. Look at that. And I know it's sweet potato root because it's pink. Don't come out that easy. Come on. See them in there. Well packed. One corner out. That's one decent one. That's a piece. Make a French fry out of. There we go. I don't think they're going to get any bigger, so may as well harvest them. Just roots. Last year I found my biggest one at the very bottom. So, get some of this out of here. Try it again. There we go. Oh, do you see this one here? That's my biggest one, at the very bottom, like I thought. Carrots. That looks like a carrot. Now, that's what I got out of one basket. Get them washed up and we'll probably have them for Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, here's another little fat guy. That's it. The greenhouse is closing down. Getting cold. Time to roll the garden canvases up because the season's over.